bag.
Come on, fight, fish. Go for a big run.
Get him from the rail.
Just hit him.
Can you get him around the other side, Mike? Let's get a double header, guys. Come on.
Done. Fish is giving up already.
Boy, the water's clean, isn't it?
Crystal clear. It's gin clear.
Gin clear, yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
It's awake now. Perfect.
Man. Got a little jam?
Thanks for passing that rod off, Mike, after you nearly broke your leg.
My hands.
Cat-like reflexes.
That was impressive.
You know, if you had that kind of movement, you may have won one of the coho competitions we've had that you continue to lose at.
Really?
Yeah.
We're going to go there now?
Oh, why not?
Do you have a life jacket on right now?
Yeah, no, it's okay. I'm quite buoyant.
There we go. Lift the rod up there.
Hey!
Lighter in.
Look at that. Steve, you did a great job of netting that fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, just drop it down there.
That's a gorge. Look at the colors on that fish.
Nice looking.
All right, we'll take care of this fish and we'll